So hello friends, welcome back to another fresh video. And yes, I know that at this point many people start skipping the video, but wait, let me make one thing clear right from the beginning. This video is extremely important, only for those who genuinely want to recover their account. If you don't want to recover it, I won't force you to watch or not watch, that's completely your choice. But for those who truly want their Gmail account back, this video is specially made for you. So let's start without wasting any time. Usually, 90% of people do this. As soon as they pick up their phone, they open the Google app and type in the search bar, "How to recover Gmail account." It's a very simple search, and there's nothing wrong with it. Then people usually click on the first recovery link that appears. Those who already know this process simply proceed ahead. But what do most people do? They directly go to YouTube and start watching videos just like you are watching right now. And then, when they open that recovery link, then scroll down and go to recover your Google account or Gmail. Then you reach the place where you have to enter the email you want to recover. My account is deleted, so I enter that same email, then click on next. Now as you can see, my account is deleted, but we need to continue the process by clicking next. As you can see, 99% of people get upset when they reach this point. But don't worry, if you don't remember the password of your deleted account, Google gives you the try another way option, which usually has the following options available. 1. Option to enter previous password. 2. Send code to recovery phone number. 3. Verification code to recovery email. 4. Two-step verification backup codes. 5. Phone notification approval. 6. Device recognition method. 7. Security questions for old accounts only. But in my case, I remember the code, I enter it and click next. Finally, you can see that I am being shown the success page, which means my account has been recovered, and I hope your Google account has been recovered too. If you have any issue from your side, please make sure to comment. You will get a reply within 24 hours. Thank you.